Me can't beg us on credit. No worry about that, man. Just send me some credit.
Alright.
You really send her credit, my youth?
Boy, if me send her a little credit, you know, cause she has sought me out to know anything. I'm gonna stay like the rest of man they way. We just deal with woman and I give them nothing. I'm gonna stay so.
Well, I don't really have no problem, you know. But every minute she call you and tell you that she want credit, you take up your phone and send credit go give her. I give a few months, so I don't see what you send her credit for.
Well, you can't go and talk, you know, cause everybody have to share. I'm certain no say all the good all share too.
Excited credit coming. Hello. Girl, nobody with the excitement. Nobody with the excitement. Come. Where's that happen now? Hey! Me a come, girl. Me a come. Whoa, me a come. Why you this one here? So girl, why you tell me something if you call link you and I see the walk come away they go?
Girl, this is a story I couldn't wait. I have to walk out meet you with it. Come sit down and tell you about it.
Okay. Brad, what going? You know, say I even look for
Eh, forward this one, man. Consider yourself.
So, Brad, what you doing your saddle? What you want to do around your saddle?
Right no more. Not even know what to do right now, you know. Cause enough dip on the brain right now.
The day after, you know. So, you're not worried about nothing the day after. I don't know, you can't tell me anything, not true. So, all the stress that I have for your head, I have to take them off. Because my day after, but I still want to hear what stress you out and what they for your head still.
Remember Jaden, my older brother?
Yeah, man. Remember Jaden, man. All up to last week, I see him come from work up at hotel.
You know, say hotel where you see me come from, though. You know, again, look at them fire him. I understand. I did help do certain things right now. My mother is sick in the hospital. And I did do certain things. And I have stress. But anyway, I'm going to lay low.
Boy, I'm sorry for hear that, you know. So you can't get no more work. By the way, how you know say your brother breed that cat be the way you tell me about say your brother breed? And your brother fi know, and you know instead of your brother.
Mama, a bag of things are going on. I don't even know what to tell us. John, no. Swear.
Remember Jay?
Jay. Which year that day?
You remember Jaden from Good Up?
Brown Jaden we used to go to high school with.
Him same one.
And he start work at Sanders now.
No girl, they fire him. And that make the story sweeter. You know Kayla?
Yes, girl. So what happened now?
She know they breed for Jaden.
So hold on there. Jaden not married?
Then night girl.
Hey! So hold on there. Where you get all them a story? Who tell them a story?
You know so we can't do to load it up still, but you will soon get it fully. Well, the people them wanna call me. So really attack, really go fast. Alright girl, me have my ear for go deal with too. So we link.
Alright, well, go on. So, I could do this fast. You know, see, at least I try end it nicely this time. It's not my fault, people. You know, have to like, share, and subscribe. Imagine you get one full-length movie shot like that. One bag of hands. But yeah, people, that was me. I play with the camera, as usual. You know me. Like the camera, like video edit, like shoot. And yes, people, I know I'm going to get a B-roll, a break. But this whole shooting movie thing kind of nice now. And then I don't know, the videos and video editing and cinematography have a whole heap of branches. And if you don't know me, and you follow me for a long time, and you know say, oh, this is my passion. Yo, yeah, I don't know say I'm passionate. I come out here. Like, share, and subscribe. Later.
Don't know. Big up to Richard Brown Film. Big up to Jamaican. I'm an actor from Richard Brown Film. I don't know. You understand? We have a YouTube channel going on. I want to go over there and subscribe and share. You understand? My YouTube channel name is Nice Can. You don't know. You know, we're out here live and direct.